Okay. Today in this video I'm going to talk about sleep apnea and snoring problem. This is a very common problem nowadays. I keep getting many messages posting a video on this particular problem. Now let's understand what is sleep apnea. In sleep apnea, breathing stops in the midnight or one time or many times in the night, and you feel difficulty in breathing, and that difficulty in breathing disturbs your sleep in the night. Some people might feel shivering in the whole body when the oxygen stops, when the breathing stops.